Hi everyone, here I will show how you can connect outdoor station with Wi-Fi so that you need only power in outdoor unit, no need of the cable connection, LAN connector. If you have Wi-Fi range there, you can use outdoor unit without the cable with Wi-Fi. In indoor unit definitely there is Wi-Fi option, you can use Wi-Fi here. Now I'll show how you can connect outdoor unit with Wi-Fi to use without LAN cable, only giving the power. For that, you have to use EZ tools to find IP address of the outdoor unit. So this is the IP address of outdoor unit. So open that IP address. Initially, you have to set up the password. After setting up the password, log in. Then from setup, you will find network. When you click network, there is a second tab, Wi-Fi. Click that Wi-Fi tab. So you will find below the Wi-Fi nearby your device. Select that and put the password down for the same Wi-Fi, then save. After saving, it will connect. Then you will see here connected to Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi name and details. So this is the way you can connect outdoor unit to Wi-Fi. Then after that, remove the LAN cable of outdoor unit and connect red positive and black negative. Now this unit is completely connected to Wi-Fi. So when I am making a call, see, you will receive the call.